welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made this super cute jewelry box out of a little wooden box I found at the craft store. And it's going to be super cute and exciting, so please remember to hit that subscribe button. Let's get started! So the first thing I did was remove my inserts from my little jewelry box, and I went ahead and sanded that down. And then I went ahead and started to paint it pastel-y pink. I'm using bear paint. I wonder why they call it bear paint. Do they mix the paint in a factory? I don't know. I guess we'll never know. So the next day after that had dried, I went ahead and opened up my paint again, gave it a good mix, and started to paint the outside. Yes, I am using a straw to mix paint, don't judge me. I don't have a mixy painty thingy, yep. So here I am just painting the frame, and it looks really good with the pastel pink paint, and I went over it with a few coats, and I just continued to paint, took my time, and yeah, I painted the back, painted the frame again, and all those things. And as you can see here, to let it dry, I put a little box of beads to hold it in place while I paint. I added the second coat of paint to my frame, and it worked for having it dry, I guess. So yeah. And as you can see here, I take painting very seriously as I am upside down trying to get all the corners and make sure it looks really good. Yeah, so this is what it looked like after I painted it and it was dry. Here I am scraping off the excess paint. Please remember to tape stuff when you paint, because then you'll be scraping it off and like putting Windex on it and stuff and trying to get it off, and it doesn't work, and So what I did here is I removed the hardware with a little screwdriver and spray painted it pastel blue so it will coordinate lovely with the pink, as those are my two favorite colors. And then I went ahead and I measured the jewelry box to make sure I could cut out a piece of fabric that would fit it, because the fabric would look nice in the box and it would fit it and stuff. So yeah, here I am measuring, and I'll cut out a piece of fabric like so. So here's the fabric cut and measured, and then I took some E6000 glue and spread it all over the bottom of the box. Oh, and removed the fluff and made sure there was no garbage and little things, dirt inside the box. And I spread the E6000 glue around the corners and things so the fabric would stick on. Be careful when you're using E6000 glue, as it can get sticky. Make sure you put on the lid and all that stuff. Yep. When you're done, of course. So after the fabric and hardware and everything had dried, I reattached the pastel blue hardware, as it looks really cute and super pastel and color coordinating and stuff. Here I am attaching and deco-denning and mermaidifying the box with some pearls using E6000 glue, and I even added a little Swarovski crystal, as you'll see as these beautiful pearl montage goes along. I went all the way around the top of my little jewelry box with the Decoden mermaidifying pearls. And it's so pretty. I can't wait to take a thumbnail photo with this. It's gonna be so pretty. And yeah, I just went all the way around, took my time, and it looks really cute. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you... Ow! Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this DIY. My Instagram and Twitter are down below. Hit that subscribe button, and yeah. Love you guys. Bye!